In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove your profile picture on TikTok. So let's dive right into the video. Right here is the home page on my TikTok app. So the first step you need to take is to click on your profile icon at the bottom of your screen. So looking right here, you can see where it says edit. So you need to go ahead and click on edit. Now looking here, you can see your current profile. So you need to go ahead and click on the camera icon right there in order to change it. You can see the option of take photo, upload photo, and view photo. So if you want to take a photo of yourself and upload it as your profile, you need to go ahead and click on take photo. But if you want to upload an image from your gallery, then you need to go ahead and click on upload photo. So here you need to go ahead and select the photo you want to upload. Select the photo like this and click on next. So here is the photo. Go ahead and click on save at the bottom of the screen. So once you do that, you've been able to change your profile on TikTok. Now if you find this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell.